Alright, this is Garrett Thibodeau. Garrett, I don't see you on the live feed, but I saw your order come through. I haven't seen you in a minute. I hope you're doing well, buddy. 1 to 5 on the Bowman Chrome Hobby. We'll do box number 2 and hope it's not. And then 1 to 5 on the HTA number. Hey, you rolled 2 number 2s. 2 deuces. This is the first box break with the new blade. That is razor sharp. The instructions over there told me so. Oh, that slices like butter. Slices like butter, like a hot knife through butter. Let's see if this is the Mojo blade. Wouldn't it be funny if the first box break we do with that blade, super refractor or red refractor or something big comes out? What's up, Wade? Sure. Chris Burr. What, around 1 in the morning you start getting nervous when I'm slinging the blade? That's true, Sam L. That's true. First autograph is Refractor Junior Franco. I don't think we ever pulled his autograph. Is he related to Wander? Hopefully Dominican Republic's like not like North Korea. If so, the whole family goes to jail when you break the law. They got generational jail over there. Vladimir Guerrero, kids that aren't born are going to jail because of something their grandpa did. Jason Dominguez. Cam Collier. Tristan Casas. Drew Bridge over troubled waters. He will lay you down. Number to 299. Miguel Tamaris, 299 speckles for the Rays. Oh, looks like another 3 autograph box maybe, because we got a lot of cards left. Maybe not. I'm trying to see if this will be a mini box too. It's close. I think it's another 3 autograph box though. We already got 1 from this case. Omari Daniel. Masataka Yoshida, Jose Altuve, Jae-Seung Shimmer. Shimmer down now. Jackson Merrill. Elian Soto Gold. That one's 29 of 50. Aaron Judge. Roderick Arias Atomic Bowman Invicta. Numbered to 150. Oh, well, we got 2 then. Maybe they put the other one in the front. Jackson Holiday. I couldn't tell if we had enough cards to get a 3rd one or not. Anyway, got a bunch of color in there. And whatnot. Now, HTA version. This would have been the other side had the dice rolled. So if you bought a team for PYT on the other half, you can, if you would have had this team and it would have been on this side if we had rolled it, these would be yours. That's a lot of ifs and buts. If ifs and buts were candy and nuts, we'd all have a Merry Christmas. Spence Kaufman for the Padres. And Dario Laverdi, 150. Angels. And double Padre, double Spence Kaufman in the same pack. Numbered to 499. Your Spence Kaufman collection is growing there, Garrett Thibodeau. All right, I appreciate the break, buddy. I hope you've been doing well, man.